The auto door feature will open the doors of the refrigerator compartment with just a touch. The feature must be activated before it is used. From the 3-button interface in the refrigerator compartment, navigate to Settings and press OK. Then navigate to Auto Open Door and press OK. Finally, navigate to On and press OK. You will get a message confirming the setting. Now, touch either sensor pad and the respective door will open. No more wrestling with the refrigerator door thanks to auto door activation.